Hi all, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you my kitchen sink cleaning routine. So as you can see, my kitchen sink is a little dirty because of all the vessels that has been piling up since morning. So first thing what I did was I loaded the dishwasher and cleared the sink. If you don't have a dishwasher, make sure you clean and empty the sink before you start cleaning it, just so that nothing gets on your way. Since I have a dishwasher, I have loaded the dirty dishes to wash, and meanwhile I can clean the sink. Make sure you're following this routine at least thrice a week so that your kitchen sink is neat and clean all the time. So let's see how I clean this with the help of one product. So guys, let's start. As you can see, I'm wearing a gloves so that my hands are not in contact with the harsh chemicals in the product. And today I'm going to use the Barkeeper's Front Cleanser. This is a very good cleaner for all type of dirt and grime. Make sure you read the directions and warning before you start using it. And now I'm going to sprinkle this powder generously to the sink and make sure you are covering all the corners. And I'm going to scrub the sink with the help of a cleaning brush. Take your time and make sure you are scrubbing every nook and corner of the sink. So if you feel like the powder is making it difficult to clean or it is very dry, you can always sprinkle some water. So guys, I'm almost done. Now I'm cleaning the sink with water. Make sure you're cleaning it thoroughly, otherwise this product can leave some residue in the sink. And finally, with the help of a microfiber cloth, I am going to wipe off the excess soap and water from the sides of the sink. And guys, that's it. As you can see, my sink has got a nice shine to it and everything looks neat and clean. And that's it guys. I hope you guys like this video. If yes, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you with another video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.